Hi everyone, this is Carmen, and today I would like to show you how to use Clerk with InsForge. InsForge already has auth built-in, but sometimes if you want more like multi-factor auth or user management page, that's where Clerk comes in. The idea is very simple. The Clerk handles the users, InsForge handles the data. And also the cool part is Clerk signs its token with InsForge JWT secret. So when a user logs in through Clerk, InsForge just trusts the token. And there's no extra setup and no sync users between two systems. And InsForge low-level security can read the user from the token and automatically show each user only their own data. So you don't have to write any glue code, it just works. So now let me show you how to make these steps. The first step is you have your InsForge project. So you can connect your project through the command and go back to your application and you can link here. And then also you can use the command to get your JWT secret. Yeah, this is the step to set up your InsForge project and get your, also you can get your project URL and some other environment variables through the API keys tab. And the next step is you have to create the JWT template in your Clerk application. So you can go back to your Clerk application, sessions, and JWT templates, and add a new template. And I will show you the existing template I just created. And the main point is you have your name and turn on the custom sign key and choose the sign algorithm and also pass your JWT secrets in the sign key and also customize your session token like this and save that. This is how you set up with your JWT template in Clerk. And the next step is set up your application. So after you saved your template, you can go back to your Clerk application and to the API keys, and you can copy these environments from the Clerk application and pass it in your environment local. So I will show you the examples for the environment variables. So that is the Clerk publishable key and also the secret and your InsForge project URL and anomaly key. So that's the step for setting up your application. And the final step is also what I think is the most easiest part. You can just ask your agent to follow the prompts and it will set up all the things for you. For example, we can copy these prompts and go back to your application and pass this prompt to ask your agent to set up the last steps for you. And then also create the to-do tables with the low-level security. And then the final things is to ask your agent to build a to-do list page for you. and we can sign in. Ideally, we will see the Clerk page and continue with Google, and we can see that we already signed in and add a to-do item. Yeah, and then we can go back to our InsForge project. We can see that we don't have any users founded in the InsForge project because the users will show in the Clerk side, but the data will show in our InsForge project. So that's the point. And to recap, Clerk manages identity and InsForge manages data, and the JWT template is the bridge, and ILS does the rest for free. And I think the best part is basically any auth provider supports JWT templates, so you just need to learn it once and you can use everywhere. That's it. Thanks for watching. Let's try it and have fun. Thank you.